How to turn a video into a GIF. GIFs have been quite popular in recent years. They are extensively employed on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Tumblr, and other social media platforms to convey emotions or action demonstrations because they are more lightweight than videos and more vivid than texts. Making GIFs out of your favorite video is a great idea. However, creating GIFs isn't always a walk in the park, especially when dealing with video files in various formats. That's where this video tutorial comes to the rescue, and in this video, we are going to explain how to convert a video into a GIF in a straightforward way, VideoProc Converter. With the support of MOVI, MP4, AVI, HEVC, and the other 370+ formats, VideoProc Converter is capable of making GIFs from videos of almost all formats. No matter whether you are a pro or a novice, we will guide you to convert a video to a high-quality GIF in seconds. Before the start, please download and install VideoProc Converter to your PC or Mac. You can find the download link in the comment below. Step 1. Run VideoProc Converter and choose the Video tab on the home page. Step 2. Click on Plus Video or Plus Video folder to add your source videos. You can also drag and drop multiple video files to batch convert. Step 3. Smash on the Toolbox button and double-click the GIF button. Step 4. Drag the green knobs under the real-time preview window to select the range that you want to convert to GIF. Hit Done and press the Run button to make a GIF from a video. That's all for today. Leave a comment below to let us know if it helps. Please subscribe and stay tuned. See you next time.